how to fix this connection error on Valorant, easy and quick. If you want to fix it, first all you need to do, just type here services, and also open task manager. Now once you're here on task manager, maybe you'll find task manager like that. If you find it like that, click more details and then scroll down until you find here Vanguard. Make sure there is no application related to Valorant, like Vanguard Riot Games or Valorant or something like that. And that's it. As you see, there is nothing here. Now just close this window, scroll down here until you find VGC, and if you find it, all you need to do, just right click on it, go to properties, and here automatic, you will find it like that. Make it automatic and then apply and OK. And after that, right click on Valorant properties, and here compatibility, and make sure first go to change settings for all users and make sure to enable those two options and apply and OK. And that's it. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.